Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our cuisine. Today, I'm cooking atieke. This is how they spell it. Atieke. It's pre-cooked cassava, and right now I'm ready to fry this fresh fish. We're just gonna start. I'm gonna keep it very simple. These are the ingredients I'm gonna be using. The first seasoning is gonna be this one. Basically, to fry anything, you just need salt on it, but this is extra things on it with the seasoning, so you can see it. It has red peppers, it has onions, everything. All those ingredients make it better, tastier. It's gonna be very tasty, so let's just start. First, what I'm doing, I'm just putting seasoning on the fish. You have to make sure you put the seasoning everywhere. I already put some already, so keep the seasoning everywhere. You want your fish to be nice and salty. So doing like this, you just want to help the fish to fry well. So all the salt is gonna go over this area that I just leave right there, and it helps you to fry well the fish. So there's nothing else. The oil, it's heating up right now, and I think it's ready. I'm not sure. Yep, it's ready. I'm just gonna give it a 1 minute, to leave the oil. Need more heat on. Alright, when you fry the fish, you have to make sure the fish got a nice color, goldy. You see? This is a nice and neat. So I'm ready to take that out. That's the first fish that I just fried. I'm gonna take this out. See how nice the color is? Nice and golden. And this is the second one. It's nice. Just so you guys gonna wait until I finish to fry all the fish, and I will show you the next process. All right. This is how you do it. Push it nice and slow. Everything just move it forward. I just want to fry 2 fish at a time. 2 at a time. I don't want anything to happen there. Alright? The next step, all I did is to open the atieke from the bag. So before you put it in the microwave, you want to make sure you break it, piece by piece. Just remember, this is pre-cooked cassava, so all you gotta do is to spray a little bit of water on it. Just wet it, and then after that you can put it out the microwave, put it like on 8 minutes, stuff like that. But you can check it from time to time to see if it's ready. Right now all I'm doing is to break it, piece by piece. Make sure there is no the hard part on it. Earlier I was frying this fish. The fish is done, so I'm just waiting for this one to be ready. Also, the next step is gonna be, I'm gonna dice these vegetables. I'm gonna cut it piece by piece to make as a dice. That's what we're gonna use as a sauce. It's gonna look like as a sauce, and I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning on it after finish. Okay. Like I said last time, you have to grab a water like this and put it on it. Spray water everywhere. Make sure it's wet. Mix just like this. Trying to wet it, before I put it in the microwave. It's gonna cook again for me. You don't put too much water on it because you don't want to overcook it. You just want to cook it in the normal way to to do it, you don't want to put too much of water on it. Just make sure it's nice and wet. That's it. Alright, it's ready to go in the microwave. And I will show you after I finish to cook it from the microwave. Remember, I'm just gonna press 8 minutes cooking, you know, but from there I have to check it time to time to see if it's ready before 8 minutes end. Let's see how it's gonna look. Earlier I told you I was going to recook this one in the microwave. This is how it looks like when it's finished. It's nice and it's well done right now. See, it's not too watery, you know. This is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, so there is a few stuff that I did not show you the process, but this is very simple stuff to do. Those are the vegetables that I told you I'm gonna cut it, and I cut it piece by piece to make it like it's dice in the Chinese style. So what I did here, I put some lemon juice, a fresh lemon juice, and I poured that in this one, and I added oil. This is the oil you can see on top. Also, I used my meat seasoning, tender seasoning. This is the one that I just used. You know, I like to eat a healthy way, so this is gonna be like a optional. If you want to, you can do it, but we just discovered this one recently with my wife, and it's really good. It's a romaine salad. I just take a few of it and chop it up, you know, make it's a small pieces that I did. And all I did, I create some vinaigrette. And how you do that, you just take a fresh lemon juice and you pour on it. And simple necessary stuff you gotta do is to put one of these magic cube magic. You know, you just put this on and that's it. It's good on it. And let's just make one plate. And I'm just gonna show you how you make your plate when you're doing an atieke. You know, first thing you put in your plate, just like this. Use your hand. Don't be shy. Don't be whatever. It's supposed to be an African way, because it's African food anyway. So use your hand. Put some plate. This is gonna be my wife's plate. Just wanna make sure I do it right. So you still gotta need this. This is the secret that people don't know. It make very tasty. You know, just put a little bit on it. You know, just pour that on it like this, and mix it, because you want the salt to be everywhere. Every bite is necessary, so I want to make sure, you know, I mix it very well. So you didn't see me mixing this, so I just use my hand. So I want to make sure I do it the right way, you know. So the next thing you gotta do is to add this one on it. Put this on top. It's a simple atieke, you know, like this. Just put that on top. See? This is the vegetables that you're gonna do, right? And then all you gotta do, put this on one side. So you just have to use this, and so you can eat it with it. The next thing I gotta do, I think I have my leftover hot pepper that I made last time. So my wife and I, we always, you know, cook stuff and then we put in a fridge. This is the hot pepper sauce. She made this last time, so this is all you're gonna put on the side here. You know, this is an African way, hot pepper sauce. And next thing you gotta do is to put your fish on it. This is a nice and delicious way to do your atieke plate. This is atieke. Thank you for watching, and this is our cuisine. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just, you know, press the like button and subscribe for us. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. See you next time.